Let's see. So this is an equation because you can see that there's an equal here. This is base x, base 2. So when you have like base 2 base x, you always keep your base number. Don't let it be like an unknown x. Okay. So in this situation, I'm going to change this to base 2. Although you know that actually shortcut is this one, means that I can actually log 2x. But I'm going to write it bigger here. This one. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, never mind. Let's see how it goes first. This one, I put it at the side. So it's like 1 over log 2, so 2 here and x here. So it's just 1 over log 2x. And if you write this as 1 over 1, okay, the shortcut way is big over small. So it is actually log 2x. Okay, so log 2, please don't split this. There's no law to split when the middle is a plus. You can only split it when it is multiply or divide. X squared plus 5x equals to log 2x plus 4. So then what do? We want to make like both sides single logarithm. So my left hand side is already single logarithm, so we just leave it alone first. Now I need to make it into a single logarithm. How? So my 4, I need to change it to logarithm. So remember just now we have to use the property whereby log AA is equals to 1. So in this situation, because my neighbor is base 2, so we can change it. So I put log 2 first, and then there's a 4 here, because it's like that, 4 times 1. And then after that, make use of the power law. I'm going to bring the power up. So it becomes log 2x plus log 2 to the power of 4. This one simply just copy down. Okay, copy down because it's already single logarithm. Okay, now we can combine. See, two terms, which is the same base, which is log 2. And then after that, the middle is a plus. So you can combine using the product and then come multiply. So it becomes log 2, 16x, log 2, x squared plus 5x. Then now you can, because both sides single logarithm, so now you can remove the log 2 and say, oh, so therefore x squared plus 5x is equals to 16x. So now I'm going to throw everything to the left hand side. X squared plus 5x minus 16x equals to 0 because this is a quadratic equation. Okay, in AMath, you learn linear and quadratic equation. Only students who are doing AMath, you learn up to cubic equation or sometimes even x to the power 4. Correct? So this one, let's simplify. So it will be minus 11x equals to 0. Okay, quadratic equation, sometimes students see 2 terms, they like panic. I always see 3 terms, then I don't know how to solve quadratic equation when it's 2 terms. So the first method you all learn is solving quadratic equation by factorization. So common concept is, oh, factorization now it must be cross method. No, your factorization consists of 4 methods in total. Take out common factor, a squared minus b squared equals to a plus b, a minus b. You have the grouping terms, and then you have the cross method. So the very first factorization method that you learn is take out common factor. So actually it's just factorization by taking out common factor. So factorize out the x, so I get x minus 11 equals to 0. So I have x equals to 0 or x minus 11 equals to 0. Then I have x equals to 11. Right? So don't just stop there because we need to always check whether we need to reject. Okay, so I want to tell you that I'm going to write a property. So for the log AB, our A must be positive, our B must also be positive, and my A has an additional property which is A cannot be 1. So this is the property, and every time when you solve it, you must always sub it back to the original equation to check. So since you see x is 0, right? If you go back to the equation here is 0 because I solve, I get x 0, but our B must be a positive value, must be more than 0 in fact. So in this case, we will have to reject this and you can accept this. So in this question, there's only one value, x equals to 11. Okay, so in this question, okay, we use change of base. Okay, we also make use of the property log AA is equals to 1. And then we also learn this very important concept whereby you changing a number to become logarithm and into a single logarithm. Okay, it's making use of the power law also lah, correct? Then after that, once both sides single logarithm, you can remove the log, and then after that just compare the expression inside, which is this one, and you solve the equation as per normal. Then the last part is you need to check whether need to reject. I reject this is because of this orange color property. And ta-da!